If I was to tell you I'd be getting a massage in the Philippines, what might you have in mind? Massage. Here is credentials. Ryan. Hello. So patiently waiting for Ryan. The technique. Ryan attracting some business. Does feel a bit weird waiting for your massage, watching some other bloke getting massage, so I have to look elsewhere so I don't look too weird. However, old mate A seems to be enjoying it. Very old hygiene. Thank you. How much, Ryan?
100, sir.
100.
100.
Pleased to meet you.
100, sir. 200.
Sorry?
200.
200 for
Up body.
200. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Take this off?
Yeah.
Okay. Clothes are coming off. Is he good? Good?
Very nice.
Very nice. Right, here we go. Hair's a mess.
Sir.
Yeah? Oh, I had watch. Okay. Watch is coming off. Hello.
Ready, sir?
Yeah, ready? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Good pressure.
Hard, sir?
Yeah, hard please.
Hard.
Yeah, please. Oh. Mate, you're strong. Strong guy. God. Oh. Yeah. I've got an audience. Yeah. Oh, my old fingers. Reading my palm. Oh God. Really good. It's good. So it's surreal getting a massage with your top off in the middle of Manila. But here we are. Oh God. Right arm? Yeah, mate. Good. Good strength. Customer. It's good. It's good. Busy day for you, Ryan. Business is good. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay lang sa'yo, sir? Meron po, sir, eh.
Yeah, it feels good. Not good for the hairline, but good for the face. Oh God. Never knew my eyelids needed massaging. It's quite therapeutic, this sun out. What's going on here? Got a massage gun. Oh, he's putting in my glutes. Oh, t-shirt back on, alright. Thank you. Yeah, I'm relaxing. Oh, I feel fresh. I feel like I've got a new back. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Crap. Oh. I was so stiff.
Sir?
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Gonna hold it? Gonna film it? Yeah. Oh. Thanks, man. You're a good man. Oh. Right, I've had a factory reset. That was awesome. Thank you as well. Thanks, man. Almost broke his chair. Thank you, Ryan.
Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Indonesia. Jakarta. Right, 200. There's 200. Yeah, one sec.
Kirk is my name.
Nah, it's not. There we go. This guy.
This one?
Yeah, him. Subscribe?
Okay.
Allowed?
Go.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Kirk?
Yeah.
Kirk is my name.
Is it?
Yeah.
Honestly?
Sir. Same spelling.
Honestly?
Yes, sir.
Honestly?
I'm
You Kirk as well?
Kirk Reales.
Oh, Kirk Reales. Pleased to meet you. I'm Kirk Aditya. Good to meet you, mate. Oh, I feel like I've got a new body. Oh.
Whole body, sir, 400.
Oh, full body 400. Okay. Thank you so much.
Mendoza, sir, is 150.
Okay, thank you. I will include this in my video.
Yes, sir.
Filipino Kirk.
Kirk.
Indonesian Kirk. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
See you guys. Wow. Full factory reset. Tell you what, for 200 pesos, what's that? £2.80 plus tip, about £3. Hello, I've already done massage, thank you. 3 quid. £3. And I feel, might smell a bit funny with the oil on my flight to the Palawan Islands in a moment, but it was worth it. Highly recommend.